Hi ga! Welcome to my vlog. My name is Dr. Lloyd C. Makamay. I'm a third year student, BS Criminology in University of Mindanao. I'm here to discuss to you the nature and physiology of drugs. But first, let's talk about what is the definition of drugs. Drugs is a substance that used as a medicine and intended to be administered, which affects the body and mind and have potential for abuse. There are two forms of drugs. The first is natural and the synthetic or artificial drugs. First is the natural drugs. The natural drugs are produced by natural plant leaves like opium, resin, marijuana, and etc. that are being native and no chemical mixture. Now, let's move on and let's go to the another topic, the prescriptive drugs. These are drugs requiring written authorization by an expert or from the doctor to allow a purchase of medicine. They are prescribed according to the doctor examine the person body and his condition like individual age, height, and weight. It is only a personal requirement. Here are the example of prescriptive drugs. Next is the over-the-counter drugs. These drugs are non-prescription medicine which may be purchased from any pharmacy or drugstore without any written authorization from the doctor or expert. The example of this is the vitamins, here, paracetamol, and other medicine that are used to treat minor and short-term illnesses. And lastly, the self-medication syndrome. These are users of drugs whose source of information are the people other than doctors, pharmacists, and health workers. Self-medication may work against the good of the users because it can lead to intoxication and other adverse reaction or effects in your body. I will show you some role play. Kita sa likod. Pre, ano sa man ka? Sakit lagi akong likod, pre. Say, tambal na ni pre. Sakit yung likod ba? Dali ang mawala ang tambal ba? Sa akong likod, sakit. Say, dali mawala ang tambal, pre. Kabuang ni mo. Daro, tambal. Para mawala ang sakit sa imong likod. Sure ka ning tambala, pre? Makatambal yun yung sakit sa likod na ako. Sure na tambala, pre. Makatambal lagi na sa imong likod ng sakit. Sige, pre. Salamat, ani, pre, ha. Bantay, bitaw. Di maayo akong sakit sa likod, dab.
2 days later.
Pre, naayo na akong likod, pre. Naayo na ang sakit mo. Pero, lahi mo itong epekto sa tambal, pre. Nidako man akong tailbone, dako. Atay man eh. Lo, pre. Gosh, dakuan na, pre. Sige, pre. Ito na ng doktor, pre. Pato na nato na. Tara, eh. Gosh, dako ay mo. Dako dyan yung tail mo. Gosh, lahi. Di epekto di tambal na girekomenda ni mo, no? Gitra na. And that is the example of self-medication syndrome. An advice by your friend to take a medicine that are not appropriate or suitable for you. That's the end of my discussion. Thank you for watching my vlog. Bye ga!